Right. Tree pollen everywhere. Cars do not stay clean. Just a quick drive around the block to test this. Disc rubbing, need to do the rears. I really wanted to just test this camera to see if having hyper smooth off and it on my head actually makes it better or not. Nice bike. Thank you. Debris is on the road. Yeah, definitely need to do the rear brakes. They're all got a big lip on them. Front, dilemma, do I do the 312mm upgrade? Or not? That is the question. Let's go 30 down here. Hopefully there's no more holes. Looks like they've been fixing the holes. Kind of. Yeah, so hopefully this now has got rid of the pans from one side to another. And if this setting works, the next time we're at Kerbra, this will be how I set it up. remap by CC Tuning in Burton has made a massive difference to this car. Absolutely massive difference. It feels so much more lively than it was before. I think. Too strong, you know. Can't imagine what, you know, 280, 300, 400 horsepower would be like in one of these. Just be absolutely insane, wouldn't it? Would be insane. See if we can get the green happy face. Yes. Funny, so I'm showing just under 30 and it's showing me 25. don't think we need any more power in this little car. Really. Now, I'm going to turn my air conditioning on and then see if I can turn it off. So I've sprayed that with some something 50, so that button works fine. That isn't stuck, right? That's all perfect. Can I turn it off now? Does that button work? Or do I have to push it really hard and feel like I'm about to break my finger? Yeah, the spray I didn't work. Careful down here, potholes. And there's one just here which I'm about to hit. No. Yeah, if you can't get over to the right, it's better make sure you're going slow. Alright, so I'm going to need to take that off because spraying it with that fluid stuff hasn't worked. The air conditioning, lovely and cool. The problem is, it doesn't want to get turned off. Bugger. That's so annoying, mate. Is there another way you can turn it off by turning the fans? Yes. There you go. Only took me 6 months to realise that I don't actually need that off button, do I? Oh, Richard, you are a sausage. You just turn the fan off and then the light comes on. Maybe I've been pressing the button thinking it's a button when actually it's just an indicator light. Yeah, should have read the manual, shouldn't I? So that's one problem solved, because I was thinking about trying to take this off, check the springs behind the buttons, clean it, all that other stuff that actually I don't need to do, because I can turn it off. So why would I do anything else? Just use the fan button, Richard. Lovely jubbly. You do feel like a bit of a knob actually when you're wearing one of these cameras on your head, driving about for no real reason. But I'm testing it for my next track event, mate, that I don't have to wear a helmet for. Nice old Fords. What a glorious, glorious day. Out jogging, gardening, we're walking the dog, the pups are over the chase later. Gonna get the girls some bubble tea. Oh, they fixed that hole. Just, yeah. It's just strong, man. Just bloody good car. so much more engaging than the electric car, which is brilliant, but why would you spend 60 grand on an electric car when you can spend 800 quid on something like this? And just have loads more fun in it. Okie dokie, so that should give me enough room for the old charger-rooney. 14 volts. Yeah, that's probably that one. That one doesn't like being pressed either, does it? Don't really bother with recirc though. There we are. The green arrow back in situ. So much easier than the one that came with it. Do we get that? Yeah. It's not going to be that easy, is it? Maybe I do just try and slide one over. Those brake discs are whoa, hot. So possibly, whoa, ow, that was stupid, wasn't it? Oh no. Headlight restoration kit. Car cleaning cloths, which I need to tidy up. Hello, Bob.